In this video, I will be explaining about how to create a blend between two different cross sections. In this geometry, there is a circular cross section and a square cross section. In between, there is a blend which is formed. The connectivity of this square with the circular cross section is by the corner. The vertices of the square are connecting the vertices of this circle. The square generally will have 4 corners and circle will have 0 corners. To create a corner in a circle need to be divided using a divide command in Sketcher, so that the corner of the square will catch the corners of the circle. There is a depth which is entered between circle and a square. The circle is having the diameter of 75 mm and the square is having the sides of 100 mm. Click on the file, new, ensure that part design is selected, give the name, cancel this template, press OK. From the new file options, select the unit millimeters, pick OK. Maximize this window. Ensure that the datum planes, datum axis, datum points and datum coordinate system are selected. They are highlighted. Click on the insert, blend, protrusion. Observe that parallel, regular section, sketch section is highlighted. Pick on done. In the attributes, ensure that straight is highlighted. Pick on done. Read the command line. Select or create a sketching plane. We have the planes defined already. We can select the plane front, top or right. For time being, we'll select the front plane. Pick OK. Pick default. Move this extrusion window somewhere here so that picking of the command is convenient. First thing is draw a square from this end to this end. Press middle mouse button to deactivate rectangle command. Draw the center line vertical, center line horizontal. Press middle mouse button to deactivate center line. Pick on the constraints to make symmetry of these two vertices about the center line and symmetry of these 2 points about the vertical line. Use equal constraint to make the lines equal. Press OK, close. Observe that L1 constraint is highlighted, which means these 2 lines are equal lengths. A key point to note here is arrow mark. This arrow mark is the start point. Enter the width of the square as 100. In the same section, circle need to be drawn. Before drawing the circle, ensure that this particular section is been toggled. So right click, press hold mouse button, pick on toggle section. This square section is now toggled. Pick on a circle, draw the circle starting from this center and drag it. Middle mouse button to deactivate circle. Double click on this value, enter the value as 75. Previously drawn sketch is a square and the current sketch is circle. The condition for creating the blend between a square and a circle is both the section should have same number of corners. Square has 4 corners and circle has 0 corners. So it is mandatory to create the corners for the circle. That will be done by using divide command. Pick on divide, start dividing it, the first divide, second, third, fourth. I started dividing the circle from the second quadrant. The moment I started dividing the circle, the first divide took the point as a start point. It is mandatory that start point of the second section and start point of the first section should lie in the same quadrant. Press middle mouse button to deactivate the break command. We can align this vertex along with the vertex of the square and center of circle by using center line. Center line start from here and ensure that it is properly aligned. Start point again, ensure that it is aligned. Middle mouse button to deactivate center line. Now there is no need to toggle this section because in this blend the last section is the circle section. So we should not toggle this section. Keep the section as it is. Pick on done. Enter the depth value between the square section and the circular section. Enter the value as 100. Press enter. Pick on OK. Middle mouse button press hold and move the mouse to rotate the geometry. This is the blend which is created between two sections, circle and a square. Remember, first drawn was a square and then it was toggled. Then we proceeded for drawing the circle. Circle was having the 0 corners. We used divide command to divide the circle into 4 segments. The start point of the square was in the second quadrant, so the start point of the circle was also maintained in the second quadrant.